If you are using Windows 11, your clipboard may be tracking more than you think. Every copy and paste can be stored, synced to the cloud and linked to your Microsoft account without clear warnings. In this video, I will show you how to disable it in under 1 minute. So let's get started. Windows 11 includes a feature called clipboard history, and in many systems it's enabled by default. Every time you press Ctrl+C, Windows does not just copy that content temporarily. It actually stores it in a searchable clipboard database on your computer. And if you are signed in with a Microsoft account, this clipboard data can also be synced across your devices through the cloud. You can check this yourself right now. Just press Windows key plus V and you will see a list of things you have copied recently. It looks helpful, but here's the concern. Your clipboard history may include passwords, credit or debit card numbers, private messages, or confidential office documents. When clipboard syncing is enabled, this information can be uploaded to Microsoft's cloud servers. If someone ever gains access to your Microsoft account, they could potentially view your entire clipboard history from another device. For many users, this is an unexpected and serious privacy exposure. Now let me show you exactly how to disable this safely. Click on the Start menu. Type Clipboard Settings and then open it. Now look for Clear Clipboard Data and then click Clear. This removes everything Windows has already stored in your clipboard history. Now stay on the same settings page and toggle Clipboard History to off. This stops Windows from saving anything you copy in the future. Now go to Accounts. After that, click Windows Backup. Now scroll down to Remember My Preferences. If you are not signed in with a Microsoft account, these options will be grayed out, which means clipboard syncing is already disabled. But if these options are available, make sure other Windows settings is unchecked. If these options are locked or you want full control, then do this. Go to Windows Search. Type gpedit.msc and open Edit Group Policy. Under Computer Configuration, go to Administrative Templates. Then go to Windows Components. After that, go to Sync Your Settings. Now follow carefully. Open Do Not Sync. Now set it to Enabled. Click Apply and then click OK. Note: even though it sounds confusing, settings do not sync to enabled actually disable syncing completely. Now open this and set them to enabled as well to block syncing. Do not sync apps. And then do not sync passwords. These steps ensures your clipboard data is not backed up or synced to OneDrive. And that's it, you are done. These small changes can significantly reduce unnecessary data collection and help you regain control over your Windows 11 privacy and security. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.